what's up guys, Rami here and welcome back to another video, and today's video is pretty simple. It's an unboxing on Samsung's newest Galaxy S10 Plus, Prism Black, and their AirPods competitors, the Galaxy Buds. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Starting off with the Galaxy S10 here, I've bought the 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage model, though it can go up to 512GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. Or even, wait for it, 12GB of RAM and 1TB of storage, plus micro SD, meaning this motherfucker can hold 1.5TB worth of storage.
The legend, wait for it, and I hope you're not lactose intolerant because the second half of that word is dairy,
which is just incredible and completely over the top. So the cheapest model of the S10 Plus comes in at £899, undercutting Apple for the iPhone XS Max by £200, which was a very smart move on Samsung's side. But this phone is still by no means cheap. The real question is, does it justify the price? So the box was very clean, and I also love the attention to detail on how they've changed the color of the text on the front of the box based on the color of the actual phone. Anyway, first thing inside the box was the Galaxy S10, like usual. So here it is right out the box, and wow, that is the light, definitely for sure. I did not see that coming, seeing how light it was and kind of how thin it was, especially considering how much tech is inside of it. And as you can see here, we still got the Bixby button, but this time Bixby is actually remappable, and the power button is actually really high up for some reason, which is kind of weird. And here comes my favorite part. And yeah, I know I say this a lot, but this genuinely looks really clean on the back. It's got a really flimsy screen protector on at the moment, but at least it comes with one. And yeah, this is it, opening it up. But behind it were all the accessories. And guess which accessory wasn't there? The USB-C to headphone jack converter. Why? Because Samsung are sticking to their word and still rocking a headphone jack. And also what I think is really cool is, since I ordered the Prism Black model, all the accessories that came with it inside the box were also black. And that also applies to the Prism White model. And that's Samsung for you. Something that was also really awesome from Samsung is that they included a case for the phone inside the box, so there's no need to go buying another one. Along with the case, the box included the usual ejection pin, travel adapter, USB-C cable, but also an AKG headset that plugs straight into the Galaxy S10, and finally it also comes with a USB-C to USB-A converter, which makes the switching process from another phone 10 times easier, along with having the capability of plugging in a standard USB drive or USB based device into the Galaxy. Go check out my Galaxy S10 Plus impressions and specs video, which is now up on the channel, and also stay tuned for a review on the Galaxy S10. Anyway, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you didn't, you know what to do. Also, go follow me on my Instagram and Twitter page to stay up to date with everything on the channel and upcoming videos. So, yep, that's pretty much it. See you next time.